Hi everyone! A few weeks ago, we started selling this standard TN die, but many people do not have A4 machine, so we have developed a new set of products, a standard TN cutter die which you could use A5 machine to make it. First of all, I'd like to introduce this new product. 1. The main frame. The main frame is with lace border. A5 machine could make it. You just need to cut the dies twice. Get two pieces of paper and put them together, just like this in the video. You will get a complete standard TN in a page. 2. This lace has two usages. The first one, you could glue with the cover to become the lace decoration of the cover. The other is to glue up and down, and then stick it on the inner page to make a closed pocket. You could put photos in it. Three, the dies also includes pocket, which can be made into these two styles in the video, and also contains many tags, stamps, postmarks, and other small accessories. 4. The middle inside page could not only be combined with the large inside page, but also be used alone to make a little notebook like this. It could be put in the pocket. Now, let's talk about it. MD21162 standard TN, MD21163 passport size TN, MD21153 lace border TN. The relationship between these three set dies. First of all, their accessories can be used with each other. Please watch the examples in the video. If you buy these three sets of all, you can make the inside page very abundant. Second, the inner page of the three sets can be combined together. I simply did a demo to show what it looked like. First, this outside page is from MD21162 standard TN. The red page in the middle is from MD21163 passport size TN. The inside page and the lace page are from MD21153 lace standard TN. Put them all together, you will get a great notebook. Here I just make a simple show. I only choose one of each kind of inner page. You can increase the pages according to your need.